Greetings and salutations! Good morning, everyone. It's nearly Christmas. Yeah. Anyway, today we're looking at the Nautilus Aio by Aspire. Sorry, I'm a bit bunged up today, guys. Nice image for you. So the Nautilus then. Nautilus is a type of sea creature, a mollusk, which is part shell, part squid. But of course, Nautilus comes from the Greek nautilos, meaning basically sailor. So yeah, suck on that sailor. Fruity. Right then, so what do you get then? You get a dubious looking condom. Comes in. You get warranty card, you get instructions, bag of spares, a wire, and a spare coil. Now then, a few things to note. This is basically it's a type of pod system, right? We've seen pod systems before, lots of pod systems around there. But with pod systems like the blue pen, that is your coil and juice, and once you're finished, you throw it away. But with this type of pod system, it actually has a Nautilus coil in it, and you can actually fill it back up there. So other than size, as in it's quite compact, I'm not really sure why they have pod systems like this. Who knows? So the Nautilus coil then. Nautilus coils have been around for donkey's years, and 1.8. You know, they use these in all sorts of devices. Obviously the Nautilus tank, the Zelos kit, K2 or K3, I'm not sure. But yeah, they're quite a well-known coil, and they do the job really well. And they haven't really changed the design much at all, if at all, because why change perfection, I suppose. But with this then, you actually get two slightly different coils, both 1.8, very much mouth to lung, sort of above ohm builds. And in this one, you get one of the coils says it's suitable for Nick salts, or designed for Nick salts. And the only difference is, I'm not sure you can quite tell there, is that two of the holes are slightly bigger. I'm guessing because a lot of Nick salts, this stuff got sent for free, generally quite a bit more thicker, if you like, a bit more thicker. So obviously a bigger hole is more useful for wicking. I'm surmising. You have, let's go from the bottom then. You have USB charging cable. These buttons on the side here, that's for releasing your pod. And there you've got your connection points there. Airflow then. Your airflow is adjustable. You can see that wide open. I've been using mine kind of quite closed off actually on that one. Fill point there. And button for firing there. And again, 5 clicks on, 5 clicks off, or 3 clicks on, 3 clicks off. Can't remember. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3. No, it's definitely 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And on it comes. And basically, yeah, primary coil, fill it up, press and inhale. Now it must be said, I've gone through phases where I've gone back to mouth to lung for a little bit, and because I'm used to the flavour of you know, sort of bigger, higher power drippers and stuff, I've always been a bit let down, a bit like meh, you know. You can kind of taste it. It's been sitting a while. But with the Nautilus Aio, I'm genuinely impressed. Now I am using 20mg Nick salts in this. Of course, if you put 20mg of standard nicotine in there, you're going to feel that bad boy in your throat. But with the Nick salts, it's so smooth, it's weird. 2ml in the tank, of course. But you know what? You're not going to be chain vaping this. Unless, of course, you've got low nicotine in there. You get your nicotine hit quite quickly and quite effectively with that Nick salt there. So, 1000 milliamp battery. I'm all over the place today, aren't I? Woo! yeah, so a fantastic device, quite a good sized battery for such a small device. And again, it's quite stealthy there. Oh, you do get a top cap, which I think I left in my car, to stop gubbins going down the end there. So, why is the flavour so good on this? Well, I think it's because the coil actually is quite close to the mouth hole. Yeah, with the Nautilus Mini, is it called? Yeah. There's a fair bit of space between the coil and mouthpiece, and people often put a longer sort of drip tip on there as well, so the actual vapour's travelling a lot further. But with this, because you're closer down to it, I think that's why the flavour is actually so good on that. And like I say, genuinely impressed. Yeah, so actually, thumbs up for this one. And as with most devices I like, I'll say I'll keep this a while. Might be for sale in a few weeks, I don't know. But yeah, great stealthy device. So if you're going out, handy in your pocket, yeah, definitely a thumbs up for that device. Oh, and just a note, the Aio, that's not an A10. Aio is all in one. So yeah, take your semen all in one. You can thank the Greeks for that. Yeah, so there you are. I think that's all. I think, yeah. So yeah, I've been off for a while, guys. Been off videos for a while. Not feeling it, but yeah. Back with a bang. And so we've got 6 minutes, and I'll catch you guys later.